Welcome to JoyGeeks with me, Aparna Ganesh. On this channel, I'm exploring beauty inside out and creating beauty and wellness content that will really help you be your gorgeous best. In this video, I quickly bring to you some benefits of yoga that will give you direction to live a happy and a positive life. So take a deep breath, relax, and if you're ready, let's go. You get flexible, your skin shines, your eyes shine brighter, and overall, you feel calmer. Is that all you know? Definitely you have a far more focused approach to life when you practice yoga, and you can scratch your own back. So these are all definitely the benefits of yoga. But if you're just stuck to this, we're kind of missing the woods for the trees. We are missing the larger point, and we're not really enjoying the essence of yoga. Yes, it will make you look younger. Yes, it will make you more flexible. Yes, it will get you your weight loss or weight gain, whatever your body needs actually. But that's not the point. When you practice yoga the authentic way, your awareness within yourself increases tremendously. You are more aware of what is really working for you and not. When there is a certain energy shift, for example, when you eat a certain food, very often if you're not in touch with yourself, you do not know that this food is not suiting you and it is causing harm to your system or it's creating a certain disturbance. When you practice yoga, you are far more aware within yourself and you quickly understand that this hasn't worked for you and you will avoid this in the future. There may be a certain group of people or certain kind of conversation that is not helping you and that is not keeping you in the best of your spirits. Well, you can easily avoid it only if you know that it's not working. Practicing yoga does make you flexible and does make you stronger, but you should know that it also really works on your internal system. Your internal organs are getting massaged. They are functioning in a different way when you practice yoga. And when I say practice of yoga, I don't merely mean what you do on the mat. What is really important is to stay healthy in our body, in our mind, and in our spirit. Practicing of yoga on the mat that we do is only a tiny part of the whole yogic philosophy. There is tons more to its philosophy on how we think, what we eat, how we conduct ourselves. I have done some videos on yoga, busting myths and some such. I will place a link below if you'd like to have a look at that as well and get more information on yoga. Coming back to benefits. When you practice yoga, it touches upon every aspect of your life and works with you in strengthening you wherever you want to reach, whatever may be your goals. It will really be that backbone that you need. It will be that support system that you desperately need. I'm talking from my experience and it has really empowered me to go out there and just absolutely run after whatever it is that I wanted and given me the support to go through the rigor of it. It has kept me calm and it has given me a sense of focus and clarity in whatever it is that I want to achieve. If you'd like to know more, comment below and let me know. I would love to do more videos which is about yoga, which will slowly kind of unveil the beauties of a simple yoga practice that even a commoner like me can help you with. I do want to take you through the yoga practice on the mat and outside of it. Let me know if you'd like to know more. Hit on the like button if you like this kind of video so I know from you. And please subscribe to this channel by also hitting on the notification bell so you get updates on the new posts, and stay connected with me on all the social platforms. I'm dying to hear from you and know what you'd like to know more, what kind of videos you'd like me to make. Thank you. See you.